usual episode of Tool Time, guys, but I'm here busy trying to unbox some of these cabinets that we're gonna have a crazy sale on starting in April, where you're gonna get up to 25% off one of these bad boys. And not only that, with these purchases, for some of these cabinets, you're actually gonna get one of those free tool bags I have over there. So just stay with me for a minute, let me unbox this bad boy, and then we head on the inside and talk about it some more. And with some of these units come with itself, like this standalone bad boy here, or our big boy actually stacks on top of each other. Whew. Draper, guys. I'm at the Simpson Motors Express, also known as our tool hub. And for our sale in April, you can come and see what we have in store. So let's go on the inside, break these bad boys down, and I'll let you know what's going on. Some of the options available that we're gonna have in our store, especially in April, are one of these 7-drawer cabinets here. Just like it is, you see they have the wheels on the bottom. It has a very deep base, has a handle at the side, and you could get this bad boy next month. And when you purchase this bad boy, you'd get a percentage off, and you're gonna get a tool bag free. So what if this one is too small for you and you've been having tools all of your life? You've been in the trade all of your life and you have lots of tools and nowhere to put them. I have something a lot bigger for you. You could actually come in next month and make a purchase of this bad boy here. This is a 42-inch cabinet. It has about 17 drawers and it stores everything for you. And with this purchase, guys, you're gonna get this Draper tool bag, which has some basic tools on the inside. So with this, you're gonna get some pliers, you're gonna get some screwdrivers, you're gonna get some Allen keys, all on the inside of a nice, easy to carry bag. Available next month with our storage special. I know I spoke a lot about storage, but equally important where storage is concerned is your safety and the security of all of your tools, that investment that you would have made. So I mentioned earlier that you may be someone who was in the trade for a very long time and you have quite a lot of tools, and this is the perfect thing for you, like I'm always emphasizing, because I can turn my key and I can open my cabinet at any time and I can access what I need. And as soon as I'm finished, I can lock this up and I could be on my way, knowing full well that all of my tools, my big investment, will be secure with Draper. Instructions, who needs these? Good, so now that we've done here, you may not have as much tools that you would need something this big. How about we going down to like a 7-drawer option? So you may be starting, and these may be a better investment for you. And like I said before, all come with keys that you could store and you can lock and keep your investment secure. And the big drawer at the bottom, my personal favorite, which is perfect for storing larger tools. That's all the time I have, so all I'm doing now, and I'm gonna lock up all of my chests and secure my investments. So like I said before, I'm here at the Simpson Motors Tool Hub location, and all these things are readily available at our Welch's, Wildy, and Six Rose location as well. I'm Vic Rossi, Tool Boss, and I'm signing out.